So, where will we start? I know, Ian, you want me to do A2.
Yep.
So I can start with that one. Anything else from section A you want me to do? Start with. We'll start with A2?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Ian, read A2, please.
I gave the paper to
Then Yusuf will read A2. Go ahead, Yusuf.
A bag contains 5 blue balls and 3 yellow balls. 2 balls are drawn, one after the other without coupling. Find the probability that the balls are different colors.
Great. So, what's happening here is you take one ball out and then another ball.
Yeah.
So, the chance that you'll get blue the first time is 5 out of 8.
Yep.
The chance you get blue the second time is only 4 out of 7.
Yeah.
Get a blue, but then a yellow next would be 3 out of 7.
Yeah.
Get a yellow first was 3 out of 8, and a yellow again is 2 over 7.
Yeah.
A yellow, but then a blue would be 5 over 7.
Yeah.
They want different colours. That means blue, yellow, or yellow, blue.
Wasn't it the same color?
No!
Different.
Oh. Oh my god.
So it's this plus this.
I wrote probably blue in a row, yellow in a row.
Yeah, that's funny, alright.
And
15 over 56 plus 15 over 56 is 30 over 56, which is 15 over 28.
yeah.
And that is the answer.
Yeah, I get it.
So what have you learned?
To read carefully.
To read the question. Or as Connell would say, RTFQ.
Yeah.
Read the question. Alright. Okay, that's A2. So what do we need to see from A? Do you need anything from A? Lucas? Do you need anything from A? Section A.
So can I give like idea 2 points for this?
Yeah, there's probably marks for drawing the tree, I'd say.
I didn't draw a tree.
Oh, this is Ian. Okay, I don't know how many marks you get now. If you didn't draw a tree, yeah, possibly 0 or 1. I don't know. Draw the tree in future. Okay, will we look at D?
A5.
Oh, A5, okay. Can I scroll down, Zany? Yeah. What's A5, Lucas?
Uno sem access.
Go ahead, Jeff. A5.
Sketch y equals e power x.
Y equals EX and Y equals 1 over EX.
Yeah.
And show where they meet.
Yep.
Okay. Let's have a look. So the first one is this, Y equals EX. And the second one is Y equals E minus X. Or if you prefer, that's Y equals 1E 1X and Y equals 1E minus 1X. This one, the A is positive and the B is positive. And this one here, the A is positive and the B is negative.
Meet 0.1.
Yeah, this one here goes down and crosses here at 0.1. Yeah, and then the other one goes up and also crosses at 0.1. But if you want to prove that mathematically, you just need to solve where they meet, which means you need to solve this.
Yeah.
You put a log on both sides, and you get x equals minus x. 2x equals 0, x equals 0, y equals 1. Not necessary, but if you like it, you can write it. Is that okay, Lucas?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay, good. Okay, anything else from section A? What's A6 about? Can I scroll down?
Triangle.
triangle. Oh sorry Lucas, do you have this? Yes? Okay. A6. What do I give you on the triangle? What's this side called? This part? Is it A? A, B, C. And this one? 58. This? 12. And what do I want? The area?
The distance between A to C and the
Distance from B to AC, is it?
No,
AC.
from A to C.
Oh, in other words, this. Yeah, okay. Sine rule? X over sine 58 equals 12 over sine 38. Yeah, so then X equals 12 sine 58 over sine 38. 16.52, thank you. And then we have this side. 16 point, no, not this.
I got 40.2.
40. Are you in radian mode? Are you in radian mode?
No.
Are you sure?
I am in radian.
And you should be in. What now? And now, this angle here is, if you can type this in, Yusuf, please, 180 minus 38 minus 58. What was it? 84, yeah? Now, to get the area, we use the rule, a half, this side, and sine the angle. So it's a half, 12, 16.52, sine 84. Are these in centimeters? What is it? 8.2? Okay. You don't sound sure. That looks believable.
This is 50. So 49.
What's the area?
49.
Exactly 49?
Yeah.
Oh.
0.04.
Okay. Okay. Is that the answer?
49.
No.
98.4576676.
98 point...
457.
Okay, so 5 then.
Yeah.
Are you sure about this one? Is that the answer in the marking scheme? Yusuf, are you having trouble with your calculator?
No, that's not it.
Oh man. Show me what you... Come over here, show me what you're typing in.
It's not possible.
What you got now?
19.
Oh, good. Okay, what now from section A, or can we go on to section B? Well? Well, section A, or are we finished with section A? Okay, so we can have a look at B if we need to?
Yep.
Okay, section B, what do we need to see?
B5.
Which, okay, which part of B5?
The length. Only the length.
Okay, what's the story? Read the story to me. Yusuf, you're on reading duty today. Read B5.
A farmer has 120 meters of fencing and wishes to make a rectangular fence with 6 meters.
Keep going.
1. Write down the length of the fence in terms of a...
Okay, gotcha. So, the pen has length X.
Oh, X is actually
Yeah.
on the left side.
It really doesn't matter. If it makes you feel better, then okay.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
This is X.
Yeah.
We'll call this side Y. And what we know is X plus Y plus Y plus X equals 120.
Yeah.
So 2x plus 2y equals 120.
Mhm.
So x plus y equals 60. So then this side here, instead of being y, is actually 60 minus x, if you rearrange this. And this side here is x, and this side is 60 minus x. So this is suspense. And what did they want first? The area.
Find the value of x which gives the maximum value of x.
Okay, so the area here is
x times 60.
x times 60 minus x, which is 60 minus x squared,
Mhm.
60x minus x squared,
Yeah.
and the derivative is 60 minus 2x, which needs to equal 0, so x equals 30 and y will equal 30, so the area is 900 meters squared.
I know that, but they said to put the length with the equation also.
Read the question? Part 1?
Yeah, no.
Go ahead, yeah, go ahead.
They said like, write down the length of the pen in terms of x.
Yeah, there's the length of the pen in terms of x, and there's the width of the...
Oh, shoot. I thought the length meant the
Oh, the-
whole.
Yeah,
So
that's, no, do you know what that's called? Perimeter.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I wrote down like 120 minus 2x. So
Yeah, that's that. Also, let's just check, it's a maximum, so what's the second derivative here? Minus 2, which is negative, which makes it a max.
Maximum.
Yeah. Anything else I need to do for this question, or have I done everything?
No, yeah.
They
Okay.
said to prove that.
Find the maximum of x.
Just done that, I've just done that.
And can I just say like draw a graph like this? and-
Oh, I so don't like that. What are you doing that for, to prove it's a maximum?
To prove, yeah. to
Oh,
prove
I so don't like that. I will not give you a mark for that, I'm sorry.
Oh.
No way, man. I want the second derivative.
Okay. Too bad.
Yeah, too bad indeed.
But what if I use the second derivative on the other method?
Oh, goodness sake.
I use the second derivative to prove that it's maximum, but you asked me the question, so
Yeah, okay, that's fine then.
Okay.
Oh wait, did you just use that to prove it's a maximum when I didn't ask you for it to be a maximum? To prove it's a maximum, I just said, where's the maximum?
Oh, sorry, it's a different question. It's a D. D5B.
What was B5B asking you to do? Find the maximum.
Yeah, find the maximum of.
Okay, and did you make a derivative equal 0, or did you just use the table?
Of course, I use derivative equal.
Then it's fine, then it's fine, then it's fine, then it's fine, it's fine. Okay. Nadia, you want me to do all of 6 or part of 6? Yeah, have a check. And then, Lucas, you have some questions from the workbook you want?
3, 4.
Yes?
2, 3, 4.
So basically the whole thing.
Yes.
Okay, alright, let's have a look. Right, can you show me, what are you given in the picture? You're given a quadratic and a line, is it? Okay. So it looks kind of like something like this. And this point is called
2.8.
2,8. And this one here?
820.
820. And are they given letters? P and Q or something? No? No. Okay, and what's the quadratic?
AB actually.
Okay, AB, fine. And what's the quadratic formula? Yeah, x squared minus 8x plus. And are you given the line? No, they want the line. Yeah. So is the first part find the line? Is the first part
Yeah, find AB.
find AB? Yeah, okay. So m equals 20 minus 8 over 8 minus 2, yes? 12 over 6, which is 2. Y equals 2x plus c. Let's put in this point, because it's smaller. 8 equals 4 plus c, so c equals 4. So we have y equals 2x plus 4.
Yeah.
Okay, what's part B asking me?
Portion of the tangent point B.
Oh, the tangent here.
Yeah.
The slope of the tangent.
Yeah.
Right, well the slope of the tangent is the derivative.
No, they need the equation.
Okay, well we have to get the slope first anyway. So, what's the value of x? 8, isn't it?
Yeah.
The slope is 8.
So,
Y to x minus 8.
Huh?
Y to
Oh, derivative.
Yes.
Yes, now it all makes sense, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that would be 8. And then we have y equals 8x plus c, and if I use this point, I get
Minus 44.
minus 44.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. So now I have y equals 8x minus 44. Okay. What's next, so? Find the area.
And getting the n. Pun that in.
Huh? Which one?
Getting the x-axis.
Where it crosses.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's for babies.
Yeah.
Because then we just have 8x minus 44 equals 0. So x equals
11 over 2.
2.
And 4. Oh, I have a question.
Wait! Is the next part the area?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your question?
So, I used different methods.
For what?
I used,
Wait, for what part?
for the last part,
Okay.
getting the area.
Oh yeah, no, but let me show you the way I do it and see if that's the same as what you do. So the way I find the area is like this. I would use what I showed you in class. We start at 2 and we go to 8 and we put the upper, which in this case is the line,
Perfect.
yeah, minus the lower,
Yes.
which is the quadratic.
Mm-hmm.
Now there are other ways to do this, but this is definitely the quickest way.
I did it that way.
Good. Now, it's actually a little bit quicker if I simplify this before I integrate. So, I'd have minus x squared, 2x, minus 8x is 10x, minus 16. And now this is just a simple integration because this becomes minus x cubed over 3 plus 5x squared minus 16x.
Plus c.
Yeah, and we put in 8 and 2.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll put in 8, we'll put in 2. Let me just see, it'll be 8 minus 8 cubed over 3 plus 5 times 64 minus 16 times 8.
36.
I believe you. Minus 2 cubed over 3 plus 5 times 4 minus 32, and it comes out at the end as 36.
But the answer sheet was.
No, they have it done a different way, and I understand the way that they do it in the answer sheet, and I understand that's actually typically how it's done in most high school textbooks. But I just find this way much quicker because the way that they've done it in the marking scheme, you still have to integrate a quadratic, anyways. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Lucas, what do you want me to do? Or you don't want me to do? Yes?
I don't.
No, don't panic. You want to do it now or in the office?
Later.
Later's fine.
But it's the platform.
Okay, no problem. How about tomorrow?
Okay, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You don't want my help?
Yeah.
My feelings. You can come. Have you got your timetable?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What else do you want to have? Have a look at these. Tuesday is a bad day for you.
Yeah.
Wednesday is not great. Friday is a great day for you.
Yeah.
Friday's really
Friday
good.
we have a test.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
With you. You're
Oh yeah,
on.
I'm supervising. Good to know that. After your test on Friday?
Oh, okay.
Or will you be too tired?
No, I'm fine.
You'll be fine?
Yeah.
Okay. What test is it? Economics? Oh yeah, easy peasy. Alright, what do you want to see next, guys? Nadia, do you need to see something else, or you're checking this one?
Oh, can you?
Alright, so now relax one at a time. You first.
Can you show me, at the question B, this is like a question out of nowhere, but.
Okay, go on.
They had some question like what does, okay, at question B4A,
What is the meaning of the integration?
yeah, what does
okay.
your answer indicate?
So, you were asked here to integrate sin x from 0 to 2 pi, and you got an answer of 0. What does that mean? That means the area which is above the curve must equal the area below the curve, because areas under the curves are negatives and above are positives. So if the total is 0, it meant that this area combined with this to make a 0. If you really wanted the area, you should have split this into 2 problems. And what you'll notice is that this one would have a negative answer, which you would need to change to positive, and this one is okay. So the answer indicates there's equal area above and below the curve between 0 and 2 pi.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, what was your question?
Let's say the question is sine x and
Your question couldn't be about this, because he just thought of this, and you had a question before he asked me.
No, it's different. It's
Okay, oh sorry, it's really different.
Completely different.
Okay, go on.
Let's say your question is sine x.
Yeah.
And your x is 0.3, and that's
Radian mode.
radian mode.
Yes.
Okay.
Why is this in radian mode?
Because it's not in degrees.
You're smart. But in the question here, what do I see that tells me it's in radians and not degrees?
So, because degree usually comes not in the normal 0.3.
Degree could be decimal.
They don't have pi?
Less
This
than
could be degree.
less than 3, less than 6.
No.
No?
What I see that tells me this is radians and not degree is what I don't see. I don't see this.
Yeah, the
That's what Ian said.
Yeah. So there's a big difference. Huge difference. This is radians. This
Degree.
degrees. Now there isn't, just so you know, there is a special symbol for radian, which I've never seen before, and the 2 other maths teachers have never seen before, but they used it once in the exam in the last 9 years, and I think it's a terrible symbol for degrees, but this is the symbol for degrees. No, it's terrible. No, not that, watch. This is the symbol for radians. You ready?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I know. It's crazy. It's a C. Now I think this is terrible because this looks too similar to this, right?
Yeah.
So when I want radians, I do 2 things. I either don't write the symbol, or if I want to be extra clear, what is normal in books is to write rad at the end.
Yeah.
This would be typical.
But C, C also indicates the inverse.
Yeah, in the context of sets. But here, clearly, that's not the context, so. If you see that in the exam, don't panic. You won't see it in the exam, because the person who's writing this exam, I know, didn't use that. Yeah, because I know who is writing this exam, and I know who wrote the exam where the C came in, and these are different people, so not to worry. What else do we need to see? You kind of have a sort of look about you like you're finished or something. We still have 5 minutes left, you know.
We wanted to give you a coffee break.
Yeah.
Because
Aw,
I know you're
that
always
is so
busy.
sweet. So sweet. Would everybody feel this way?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, look, what we're going to do in the next class is we're going to have a look at the past papers, and we're going to start at the most recent paper. So we've done the exemplar, so we're going to do version 1 of the most recent paper. I highly recommend you try this at home, because I'm just going to do it on the board. It's better to try it first before you see it. So as a homework, can you try version 1 of last exam? What's your homework?
Last version.
Version 1. Or if there's no version 1, then version 2. Whatever is the lowest. It's on Moodle already, yeah. Okay. Okay.
What was the other math teacher's name?